Today we're making barbecue popcorn. Today we're making barbecue popcorn. And to do that, we're using 1.5 cups of butter coconut oil, 3 cups of popcorn kernels. This is the mushroom kind. And then we're using barbecue popcorn seasoning. So let's get popping. 1.5 cups of butter coconut oil, 3 cups of corn. We're gonna heat up this butter coconut oil, and we're gonna heat up these mushroom popcorn kernels. Get these popping. Down in the description, there are links to all the products we're using here today. If you want to get the free Popcorn Genius recipe book, check out the link down in the description. All right, we're starting to pop. Kernels going. Sift out any of those kernels. All right, we got this nice hot popcorn. We're gonna dump that into our bag here. And we're gonna sprinkle on our barbecue seasoning. Ooh, you can really smell that barbecue. That looks. All right, let's get a couple pieces here. Oh yeah, look at the seasoning on there. You can really smell the barbecue on this. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, that's bold. Oh, that's really good. That tastes just like barbecue potato chips. Oh wow, that is really, really good. That coated on there so nicely too. That is really good. You can make this barbecue flavor too, so get out there and get popping.